Have you ever had one of these before?
Yep. You?
No, I haven't. Watch and find out.
It's in the title. Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan and Ian and I, being Derek, the guy that talks the loudest, owns the channel. If you tell me this show is better without that screaming guy, there's no show. So fuck you guys.
True. Because we're not going to talk as much as he talks.
No.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah. He's going to make drinks. I just stand here and I wait for it to finish. And he tells you about it.
And he drinks for free.
That's right. It's a good gig. Get your shit together.
Fuck. Oh, this is gonna require.
Look, this is a tough drink.
This is called the Dark N Stormy. It's a half ounce. No,
Not
doing
Black
a
and
damn. It's an ounce and a half of Goslings Black Seal Rum, 5 ounces of ginger beer, and a lime wedge for your garnish.
2 ounces.
What did you say about
rum
this?
in there.
You gotta open it with a. Yeah.
Whoa.
I forgot.
Wow, he's so strong.
The bidding starts at $25.
Get those stars out of your eyes, Jay.
You love it, Ian. You know you do.
Derek's right there.
You got to bid too if you want some.
No, I know. He's over here all the time.
Did you hear that?
I was here. I hear everything.
Just saying.
Have you ever had a Dark N
Next
Stormy?
bid, you overpaid.
Come on, Dan. Tell me you've had this drink.
Get that. He's got something in a box for you.
Have you made one of these before?
I've never made a.
Is it a dick in a box?
It's a dick in the box. Here's a pro tip for you. Pro tip is there's 2 Goslings. There's Goslings Black Seal and Goslings 151 proof. They look exactly the same except for the middle of it says 151. And I've done this by mistake, if you make this drink with 151 version, it's not going to taste the
Yeah,
same.
it's definitely gonna be a lot stronger.
Doug did that. He was like, pouring it. I'm like, what the fuck? He's
Doug
like,
probably
oh.
did that on purpose.
Probably.
No, yeah.
All right.
They
so,
are hard
you
to
got it?
differentiate.
Try
What's your favorite white tequila, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Ooh, Rizul. I don't know.
Riazul?
No, I don't know. I'm just thinking of stuff off the top of my head. I'm not I don't remember anything anymore.
That we actually
That's
buy?
what you're looking for. Cheap and okay?
Yeah, it all depends. Don Julio I actually really like.
Yeah, Don Julio's pretty good.
But I won't buy that just to put in drinks.
Hey, it tastes like Dark N Stormy.
You have that stuff, the Esplanade.
What? It's
I
down there.
don't
Espelon?
really care for that.
No?
Espelon.
It's in there.
I like that.
That's somewhere down there.
Someplace
Yeah,
in
a lot
there.
of people like that.
What do
I'm
we?
in the minority.
What was the question?
What?
What you like
What's
for...
your favorite white tequila, bro?
This is good.
Almost good. There's a lot of good ones.
How can I not have drank this before?
I don't
Because
know.
you've never been on a
Why are you
cruise?
asking us?
Have you been on a cruise?
I have.
He's
A
been
couple
on-
of
he
them.
went on a
To
cruise
Bermuda?
last summer.
I was on one, yeah.
Oh, you didn't have a Dark Stormy in Bermuda, huh?
No.
Siete Leguas. I don't know where it is, but that's what I'd pick.
Oh, there you
Yeah,
go.
This
that's
one.
good.
How about Sparkle Donkey?
Sparkle Donkey.
Yeah.
That one's good.
Oh, well, how the fuck is it there? Should be over here. No. Sparkle Donkey.
That's really good.
It is.
You know what it is? I think, I was over ginger beer for a while after we started drinking, mules. We drank mules
This
every,
is so much
weekend.
better than Mule, though.
I know, but I just got done with, drinking anything with ginger beer.
You know what it is? I just like I like Black Seal, as a rum, but it's super concentrated flavor.
Oh,
You
it's
can't
strong,
use this
yeah.
for a daiquiri. It's just too rich.
No.
Right? It'd be like adding fudge to your fudge. There's just too much going on. You just
It's like, and what's wrong with that?
Yeah, you picked the worst of it.
Yeah, you can't be like.
I'm gonna have to zoom in on his face because he just had the satisfying.
Yeah.
The Homer Donuts look.
Yeah.
Yeah, Diane made a good point that the Gosling people say it's not a Dark N Stormy unless you use their
So
ginger beer. And
part of my history here
It's
is
like a painkiller. You have to use
Yeah.
Kirsten's rum. And,
so the Dark N Stormy has a trademark. If you put a tick with an N, it's Dark N Stormy. That is the registered trademark. What Gosling's found out is you can't patent a cocktail. So the only way to get around it was to trademark the name and say what it needs to be in it or something. So basically, if you want to create this cocktail and you don't want to create it with this specific product, it's called a safe harbor. That would be the same drink using a different product that's not Gosling's. The safe harbor. So if you go and order a safe harbor or you go someplace, and here's the thing, if you go someplace and they have a Dark N Stormy, they try to work the words so it's and Stormy or something like that to get away with it, then they'll pull it off. But if you call it a Dark N Stormy without this product, they will come after you. They've come after blogs. They've come at they've gone after companies like.
If you go to a bar and
Careful,
order
what
a
they
safe
made
harbor,
this
they're gonna look at you and ask you what the fuck you want.
What?
Just tell them you like Dark N Stormy, but you don't care about the brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're like, I want some dark rum and some ginger beer. Put it in the glass.
So
Oh, it does look the same.
yeah,
It does.
which is odd that one's lower than this one, but that's because this is bottle 3 and this is only bottle 1. In case people are like, wow, you drink a lot of 151. 1991, they trademarked the name. The idea is that it's supposed to look kind of like the dark clouds if you're sailing and you see these dark clouds, you're like, oh shit, something's coming.
Time to drink.
Yes, time to drink. That's exactly what it is.
And it better have rum and be a little bit spicy.
Yeah, I personally like it because I had the biggest flame ever of somebody writing me like huge text about how they're from Bermuda and I destroy this entire drink because I put the lime juice, I squeezed it and dropped it in, and like that was like I ruined the entire culture by
Well, you
doing
fucked
Yeah,
this
they
one
were
up too,
choice to
then.
work though. So
it. I didn't squeeze it. Yeah. So I was like, I didn't even know what to say. So I was like, listen, don't be a douchebag for one. And I went on, and it was a long conversation. It's one of the sort of videos, but you put a lime as a garnish. If you want to squeeze lime in there, I like mine with like a little bit of lime in it, just because I like the sourness, the backbone you get, and then you get the nice spiciness and the rum. Then it's a cocktail because it's got the 3 ingredients.
That's right.
Right now, it's just a fucking mixed drink. It's like a rum and coke without the coke.
Yeah.
And ginger beer.
instead of rum, it's rum.
No.
Instead of Coke, it's ginger beer.
Yeah.
Instead of rum, it's
Instead
a rum, it's really dark rum. It's really dark.
Specific dark rum.
and this is
Look like it's like seal dark.
but
Not like Kiss from a Rose on the. Yeah, but like
Yeah.
that
seal. Yeah.
Like yeah. He's all burnt up and shit. You don't want.
Seal.
Sings like an.
Why did you have to go all in
He's like
seal?
an angel.
Oh well, it is a seal. Yes, I get it.
Yeah, seal, get it.
Yeah, I get it. I see the resemblance of where you want.
It's a stretch, but yeah, it's there.
This though isn't like it's not like it's not like the blackstrap rum. Like a blackstrap rum has like that medicine cherry,
Molasses-y.
like
Yeah,
real
that
thick
doesn't have
molasses.
that.
This is just a little bit more rich. And Tattoo is another brand from Captain Morgan.
Yep.
Not a big fan.
Ooh,
Oh, nice.
Wow.
that was a close one.
Like, what the fuck?
I had my aim there. I could see the vapor trail.
Damn.
So I would totally get this. This is
She
the
lose that
time.
eye.
Long story.
Long story.
We know those douchebags in Scotland. She comes over once a month and drinks.
Shot her in the eye. Oh my
You shot her in the eye. Not how you think.
God. It's stung
That was
for a
last
bit.
month. Twice.
Twice.
So I would get yourself some Black Seal. The 151 is optional. I don't know what you're gonna do with it. Tiki drinks. You need to make that drink because it's like Dan hadn't even had it. That's fucking crazy.
I know. I've had that a lot
We're
of stuff.
exploring our inner
You
college
are.
drinkers.
He's
We
got some
are.
drinks today.
Alabama
Yeah.
Slammers. and-
This is a simple drink that
Yeah.
you can make as long
Dark
as you
and
like
Stormy.
ginger beer. Yeah. And this is Q. You can get Q Fever Tree. I don't sell any of these at AwesomeDrinks.com, but you know you can get the Chicago. I used to. You could get the Chicago highballs at AwesomeDrinks.com using coupon code homeschooling until the 13th of June, 2020. 15%
Look at
off.
that.
And that way you get yourself some glasses. If you need the bartender starter kit, that's there. It's all good.
Do it.
But I urge you to make that drink because it's like a staple that you need to put into your like repertoire.
It's good. It's easy.
And easy sometimes. Unlike the zombies on my porch the other day where I had to sit
Sometimes
down
it's
and
good.
mix
You
it
want to
up.
open up 2 things and that's it.
This Corona is getting out of hand, man. Zombies on the porch now.
It feels like it's a zombie.
Dude, I had 2 zombies in under an hour. There was a zombie on the porch. Then we went to
was
pick
you.
up my...
Did Jen approve?
Yeah, I don't care. And then we went to pick up my
She doesn't
niece
care. You don't care. This shit.
at Five Guys. And then we went to Dairy Queen. And I sat, we sat in line.
That was really the line to fucking Dairy Queen?
There's a line out the
Holy
road
shit.
on the way over here, and
Oh,
it was
yeah.
cold and
It was like
cloudy.
20 cars.
That place is constantly have a line.
Yeah, it's insane.
Constantly.
And so, like, we sat in the line. I'm in the back seat, having a good time.
Sipping on absinthe.
I was sober by the time we finished.
I think we've done stuff on absinthe in the past. We brought out the louche, the fountain, and everything.
Yeah.
You've
What
done
do
a
you want
lot.
to do? Can you do a segment on absinthe? What do you want? Write down below
Alright,
what you
let's
want.
Finish this drink.
Because that's
Alright.
it.
Jen,
We'll talk offline.
Jen.
you want to finish the drink, you got to start participating.
Yeah.
You gotta
Yeah.
end the show.
All right.
Sidebar. More videos about rum and good stuff. Down
Click
below.
that. Watch this.
Bartender starter kit.
There you go.
Don't go over there
Drink that.
Teach you how to drink.
every day.